She's leaving. How dare she? The audacity.
And yes, I'm joined by Monique. You've probably seen in quite a few of my vlogs. But yeah, this is it. My final trip to Magic Kingdom before I leave.
Alright everyone, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the Philharmaddy Orchestra.
Yeah, so we're here in Port Orleans Riverside, as you can probably tell. It is such a cute little room. We were originally hoping to have the royal room, but unfortunately it was overbooked. But we're in, I think, Magnolia Terrace, and it is gorgeous over here. And something that kind of looks like the Liberty Bell, which just makes me happy in general. So yeah, we're going to head on out in just a sec to go to Port Orleans French Quarter. Got our celebration buttons and about to go on the boat to French Quarter. Thank you very much. French Quarter.
French Quarter. Thank you.
Thank you. I love beignets. They're so good, but I made the mistake of wearing a black t-shirt and getting beignets.
Oh, me too. Whoops.
Oh well. Here we go. Beignets.
They're so good. I'm so excited.
And literally $3 per person. It's $1 per beignet if you are a cast member, so not bad if you buy 6. Alright, let's get to it. Tuck in. Okay, now that we are suitably covered in sugar, time to go try and catch a bus to Magic Kingdom one last time.
Oh.
Okay, just a warning for the rest of this video, there will probably be quite a few tears because I literally almost teared up on the bus ride here. Because like it's literally like a straight shot, almost my commute to work every day, and this became normal. And it's a weird feeling and looking at that going, wait a second. Seeing a castle every day is regular, normal going to work. Like what? Alright, please work this time.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye, latte.
Thank you. Okay, so at least I got in. So it's still in the system, which is good. So no unnecessary drama. Alright. One last time. First, I'd made the fast pass a while ago because we have a resort reservation. And the first thing we are doing is just saying goodbye to my boss. So let's head on in. Hello, Nikki. Hi. So good to see you.
Hello. Hello. I'm doing the filming for her because it's her last day, but I'm here till January, so it's all good.
So it's also my last day today. Unfortunately, I'm having to leave as well. I'm so sorry. I wish I could.
I'm here till January. It's all good.
Howdy, Frontierland. I was over in merchandise in the trading post and over down in Splash Mountain. It was wonderful. It's lovely to see you. Well, we just had a brief stop off for some photos. I'll insert the footage here.
Kathleen, make a heart over your head. And make sure you smile really, really big this time. Oh, 1 second. My camera doesn't want to focus. Got it.
Okay.
And now it's time to head on over to my former home, Frontierland. I think I'm just going to miss the first hoedown, but I think we might do Country Bears.
And it's not your former home. It's always going to be your home.
It is. It's going to be a home. It is my home. All right, let's head on over. Just in time for the hoedown. Also,
We're not talking about it.
all right. party. Tammy! It seems to be a party. So, do all of you guys want to see Country Bears?
We are gonna actually head out because I just finished work and then I work early tomorrow.
I'm gonna miss you so much, Cora.
Yeah.
Well, that was a sudden turn of events.
Everybody knew
Everybody. Also, really cute haircut. It's adorable. So yeah,
I just cut my hair
we've
this morning.
Oh, nice.
we got to do Country Bears one more time with the Frontierland fan, or should I say the Frontierland?
I wish I had made it for the hoedown.
Yeah.
But Starbucks took like 20 minutes.
Oh, that's fine because there's still another one.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
still the one at 6:45.
We could pop back there.
Yeah, we can do that one. Okay, so the bears are being unbearably slow. They must have got tired out from the hoedown. So instead, we're gonna do thunder. What was that, Becca?
I made a noise. I was like, haha.
Yes, I made that fun. I had to. Yeah.
It's just that I was.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
And of course, in classic me fashion, I happen to have lost my ears. Oh well. So I'm gonna go back and find Jade, Beckham, and Monique, and we're gonna continue on with our journey around at Frontierland and Adventureland. You got a bit wet.
A little bit.
Wonderful feeling, wonderful day. Yeah.
Everything is satisfactory. Except everything's not satisfactory right now. Because I'm sad.
She failed
I
me.
haven't worked in Splash in like over a month, okay?
We were pointing in the wrong direction. Oh no.
That's on me.
I was right.
I'll just see myself out.
We need to go do it again. So you enlightened me as to the true story of Splash Mountain and broke my heart.
I'm sorry.
What is it? Tell my viewers.
The citizens of Chickapin Hill are getting kicked out of their homes because of like deforestation and basically this like tycoon buying up all the land. Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox eventually pull Brer Rabbit up the hill and drop him into a briar patch that kills him, and when you're in the laughing place, you're in heaven, and that's why everyone's happy.
But still, that was a lot of fun. We ended up pointing in the exact wrong direction for the bluebird.
My bad, it's not like we were doing anything with that photo.
True. So we made it. We have food. I have the jalapeno popper loaded fries, celebration brownie, and some lemonade. And we have an almost perfect view of the castle because once it comes time, we're going to be asked to stand up and move forward. And the furthest we can move forward is to that gate right there, which is perfect so that we're not too close to the castle. So yeah, whilst ever happily ever after. I adore this string arrangement. I probably won't be able to play too much of it because copyright, but
Let's just talk over it.
yeah, it is gorgeous. Well, last time I got copyrighted for Splitsville, so
Copyrighted for Splitsville?
yeah, because of the licensed music in the background. But yeah,
It's so spicy.
I love it. The kind of tango flamenco vibe. It's so good.
And it's the one right before the fireworks.
Exactly. Zabada, zoobadoo, zabada, zoobadoo, dee,
That's what friends are for.
after. Sorry, I'm a bit of a mess now. Yeah. I was literally like crying through the entire thing. I'm gonna have to do some serious touch-up work on my makeup, but I think it's now time for a Buzz Fast Pass. Will I finally get Galactic Hero? I've got one more shot. Let's find out. I was so close! I was so close. Literally.
You're what, 41,000?
I was 41,000. Okay, so just say goodbye to a few of my dear friends, including meeting up with a few of my roommates. I didn't want to film it because sad goodbyes, and from here it's now time to go to Splash Mountain for one final splashdown. Because unfortunately, Splash is never open during extra magic hours because maintenance needs all the time it can get on that one. So I'm gonna power walk down there, and then yeah. After that, I think probably Pirates and Haunted Mansion, but we'll see how we go for time. Well, that's it. End of an era. Still got a bit more time, but this is the last time we're gonna walk through these doors. Splashdown photos. Here we go. I'm gonna miss this place. Grab it. The amount of time I would spend stocking this pinwall, and it looks beautiful tonight, and that just makes me happy. We have the new me. Literally, for so long I was just stocking Splash, so.
And I've been stocking Liberty, but now I'm back from Frontierland.
You're back.
And
Have fun.
I'm going to.
Take care of that pinwall for me.
I don't know about that.
Please.
Okay.
For me. Thank you. It's looking pretty good tonight, actually.
Yeah. Oh, believe me, I've worked hard on it tonight. It has taken forever, but with a little bit of magic, it's looking good.
I'm gonna be in the park a little bit longer, but for now, this is me checking out. I'll be back right before the end at 1 a.m. So, TTFN. I'm Bro Rabbit. So as you can tell, I am in Fantasyland because there's one more thing I have to do, and I think you will probably know what it is. I've been pixie dusted. I'm ready to go. Let's do Philharmaddy one more time. 058, the last show. Here we go.
Donald! Hey, Donald! Are you all done up there?
I was originally going to use this audio
Where he went?
for my intro before I discovered minis. It's a classic. I love how there's like a background audio of a concert that you wouldn't hear unless it was this quiet, because usually it's like full in here.
Yeah, I never noticed that until now.
So there's like background noise.
Almost ready.
Alright, here we go.
How'd that get unplugged? We'll just plug it back in.
Last ever Philharmaddy.
That's better.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking, or using flash photography during today's performance. All right, everyone, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the Philharmaddy Orchestra.
I sure hope you like the show, everybody. Oh, and on your way out, please put your opera glasses in the special containers near the exit. Thanks, and have a Philharmagical day.
Please exit towards the doors on your right-hand side and put your purple containers. Thank you for coming to Mickey's PhilharMagic, and have a Philharmagical day. You, Philharmaddy.
Oh, thank you. Have a Philharmagical day, everyone. Thank you so much. It's been amazing.
Have a Philharmaddy day.
I love how it just like cut out of that.
This mic is the worst, I will just say.
Thank
Don't
you so
leave me to
much.
go to Australia. It's not
sorry.
fair. Now I have to go move a cart, and it's not even fun.
Glasses drop, end of the night. This is me out. TTFN, everyone. From the Magic Kingdom. Still got another vlog coming up. It'll be from tomorrow of the amount of time it takes to get back home because it's a lot. So anyway, I feel like this vlog has had so many multiple endings. It's even worse than Lord of the Rings. So TTFN, everyone.